Okay, in this problem we're asked to find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region about the x-axis. Our function given is y is equal to e to the negative 1/10 x, y equals 0, x equals 0, and x equals 10. Okay, so x equals 0, x equals 10 are going to be our limits over this shaded region. The upper line here is the function e to the negative 1/10 x, and y equals 0 is the lower region of that. Okay, so we're rotating around the x-axis. Okay, so we're going to use the formula v, our volume, is equal to pi, our limits of integration. We'll say a to b, but it's 0 to 10. We'll put that in the next step. R squared dx. Okay, the region squared. Okay, so it's going to be, we need to figure out the area of this region. So we're going to do top minus bottom. The top is the e to the negative 1/10 x, bottom is 0, so we don't really need to write it. So I will just put pi from 0 to 10 of the function itself, which is the upper bound, which is e to the negative 1 over 10 x squared dx. Okay, we can go ahead and figure out this integral since it's a pretty short problem. Distribute the 2 to the e to the negative 1/10 x. That will give you 0 to 10 of e to the negative 2/10 x, or negative 1/5 x dx. Okay. When we go to integrate this, we integrate. You can do a u substitution, or you can just do this the quick way if you're familiar with that. It'll end up being pi times negative 5 e to the negative 1/5 x. Okay, so we divide by that upper limit. Basically, it's u substitution, but I'm skipping that step. We'll go from 0 to 10. Okay, plug in our limits into this, so you'll end up getting pi. Leave that out front. Yeah, you can also leave the negative 5 out front, so negative 5 pi. E to the negative 1/5 times 10 is going to be negative 2. Okay, and then minus e to the, plug in a 0, to be e to the 0 power. Okay, so that'll give you negative 5 pi times 1 over e squared minus 1. This could also be written as, if you wanted to switch these signs, make the outside positive, 5 pi 1 minus 1 over e squared. These two are the same answers.